How to add a custom status on Discord. Want to show off what you are up to or share your mood? Today I will show you how to add a custom status on Discord. It's quick, easy and super fun. Let's get started. First, open Discord and click your profile picture. Open Discord on desktop or mobile, then click your profile picture at the bottom left corner. Select Set a Custom Status. From the menu that pops up, click Set a Custom Status. Now, type your status message. Type in whatever you want your status to say, your mood, what you are doing, or anything fun. Pick how long you want your status to show, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, today, or don't clear it automatically. Click Save or Done and your custom status is live. Bonus tip: add an emoji to your status for extra personality. And that's how you add a custom status on Discord. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.